So we're getting a pretty good snowstorm here, and I have a tree blocking the end of my driveway. So I'm going to deal with that with my tree tool and see if I can get some of the snow off of it.